Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rinku Art, and this is the first video in this new year 2018. I want to wish everybody a happy and a prosperous new year. I am extremely sorry I could not able to upload videos in regular basis because of some issues, but I'm trying to do some videos, and meanwhile I'll upload some kids video also, as I have committed that I have to give you some videos regarding the character body shape and means different part of the body. So I am doing it, and let's see how many of the videos I am taking out. So let's get started. Today the topic is the cartoon character body part, and I have planned to do the hands also, but let us complete the body part and we'll go to the hand and legs also. So let's get started. So as I have told you in my earlier videos that we need to find the shape of our character, like what we want to draw, how's the character. It may be strong character or it may be weak character. It depends on the characterization, like what you want to draw. If it is the character of your own, then also you need to decide whether it is a fat character or a weak character. So according to that, we need to design our character with the shapes. So I'll give you some like examples so that you can find out what I want to tell you. I'm taking this clutch pencil. You can use any of them. I'll tell you. Like so these are the shapes, the basic shapes. You can take any of them. It may be more also. I am just telling you 5 of them. Let's see if I have any example. I'll let you know that also. So first we'll do some character out of these shapes. So let's start with this. So this is the body part. So first I'll find out the chest line and the middle line. Chest line, we need to find out the chest line. This. In this case also I'm taking this. It's not like you are putting the chest line over here, then it will be like this. It can vary. It can go little up or down. So we are taking here, like this part will be little more and this will little less. Here I have taken that proportion in 5 of the shapes. So in this case I'm just going with the body part only, like only body, this one. So here the chest will be, you don't need to draw the chest shape, just go with the shape like how I am doing it. You just check it out. Now as you have completed the chest line, just find out the center line with the shape. The shape of the chest is like this, so that should be as the chest line. If it is 3/4, what I'm showing you is all 3/4. In this case also, this side I'm showing this shape. Okay. So we got the chest line and the center line. In my earlier video, the face, how to draw cartoon faces, also I have told you the face, the center line and eye line. This eye line in this body, it is the chest line. So you need to find out the chest line where the chest line ends. So see, this is very simple. Like if you will not draw the arms, you are not able to judge your character. So I'll tell you little further, but put your concentration on the body. So here I'll draw a little further. So as you can see, I have designed roughly my characters. All have different shape. Here you can see this is a triangular, this is the rectangular, this is a little bit circular, this is elongated one, this is little human type, natural. And the body part, it is all related to the face as well. It's not like this is different and this is different. All are interlinked. Like if you're drawing a face also, out of that it can be find out like what is the body part look like. What I usually do, if I'll draw a character, if I'm getting that it is a fat character, it is a thin character, so according to that I'll do the rough means I'll give you three examples. One fat guy. So what I'll do, I'll make the face little circular and I'll do the body joining the face. Fat character means little short legs, small neck, chubby cheeks, shoulder, chest line, legs, all are little chubby type. Hands are also will be same. Thin means maybe like this, any shape. With that I'll draw face, but here I'll show the neck. This guy is not that much chubby like this guy. Maybe legs little longer as compared to this guy. Hands like this, nose, eyes, so if you can observe that I am not concentrating on the clarity of the character right now, I am just doing the rough because I need to find out my character. If it is coming out, then only I can clear it out. This is the first thing. You should not concentrate on the shape right now. Shape means the character, the body part shape. Just draw lines, the rough lines. If you are happy with the lines, then only you can clear it out. See, this is the character, this is the character. I'll make little darker later on. So this is the fat guy, this is the thin guy. You can make more thin, I'm just giving you little example. And the stronger guy I'll show you. See, broad chest. So this is the builder type. See, these are all character designs. What I am doing is out of shapes. That is more important. So whatever you are drawing, just put your thinking on the shape and how to make the shape a character. So these are rough what I told you just now, and I'll make little clear lines so that you can find out like how I am doing the character designing out of these roughs. Okay. So this is what it came out. I have cleaned the character. Before it was not looking that much appealing, but now if we'll closely observe, it will look good character out of those shapes. So I have not detailed that much also, like dark shadings and dark lines, just for the sake of this video to let you know how that shape will come out nicely. I have given this demonstration. Thanks for now. Hope you like this video and stay tuned for my further videos in which I'll show you all the body parts like hands, fingers, legs, and more videos are there. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel and hit the bell button because that will give you the notification if I'll upload any new videos. So thank you, bye bye.